Which of these elements represents X and is bonded to N? Is it nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, or hydrogen? Firstly, it's important to acknowledge that N is the chemical symbol for nitrogen. So our question becomes, what element, X, is bonded to nitrogen, and which yields this situation that we see? And one thing that should catch your attention right away is that each element has a different charge. One is partially positive and the other is partially negative. This means that element X is weaker at attracting electrons across this bond compared to nitrogen, because nitrogen is hogging the negatively charged electrons, hence the partial negative charge. Thus, nitrogen cannot be the correct answer, because if both of these elements were nitrogen, then they should both have equal charges. And this tug of war for bonded electrons is what's called electronegativity, an atom's tendency to attract electrons to itself within a chemical bond. Here, we see that oxygen has the larger electronegativity than hydrogen, and thus is better at pulling these negatively charged electrons towards itself as compared to hydrogen. So if nitrogen is hogging a negative charge across this bond, nitrogen must have a larger electronegativity than the X element in question. Since nitrogen's electronegativity is 3.0, we have to choose an element whose electronegativity value is less than 3.0. And the only option which fits this criteria is hydrogen, because it has 2.1, less than 3.0. So D is our correct answer. There's a series of EN values that you must know to be able to solve these types of problems, so be sure to check out the video on your screen.